Any employee can submit a request through the intuitive wizard. Choose your category, in this case, contracts. Select the request type, review. Set priority, high. The system guides you through every step, ensuring nothing is missed. Now, let's step into the role of the Legal General Manager. The contract approval page provides an immediate view of the approval workload, pending reviews, approval rates, and average processing times. The approval pipeline breaks down each of the 4 required steps, showing count, step name, and average processing time. Below, the My Pending Contracts section shows what's waiting for this approver. Clicking any pending contract reveals the full approval timeline, every step, every timestamp, fully transparent. The tab switcher lets you filter between My Pending, Approved, and Rejected contracts. Notice the nudge notification button, a quick way to remind the next approver in the chain. Clicking an approved contract shows the completed timeline, all 4 steps resolved. Back on My Pending, the manager reviews the vendor agreement request and approves with a single click, adding a compliance note for the audit trail. With all approvals complete, the legal administrator receives the ticket in the incoming queue. 4 key metrics provide instant awareness: incoming volume, high priority count, SLA warnings, and tickets resolved today. The triage queue below is where the administrator assigns tickets to legal employees. Status and priority columns help decide what needs attention first. The team workload view reveals each employee's current capacity, helping the administrator balance pressure across the department. Here, the administrator locates the vendor agreement ticket, now under review, and assigns it to the right team member. The SLA clock begins. The assigned legal employee sees the ticket on their My Assigned Tickets page. Clicking the vendor agreement ticket opens the full detail view. 6 specialized tabs provide everything needed: overview for request context, comments for internal collaboration, clarifications for back and forth with the requester, attachments for supporting documents, timeline for the complete audit trail, and SLA for deadline tracking. The employee starts progress, then adds their analysis as a comment. They can also ask the requester for clarification directly. Once the review is complete, the employee marks the ticket as done, adding a resolution summary. The requester is notified, and all performance and SLA data updates automatically for the manager and CEO dashboards. The Legal General Manager has 5 powerful pages at their disposal. First, Executive Oversight. A bird's-eye view of all tickets, priorities, SLA warnings, and items resolved today. The approval queue breakdown shows pending approvals across each step, while the rejection rate tracks approval quality over the last 30 days. Next, SLA and compliance. The compliance rate, total overdue tickets, and average resolution time are displayed at the top. Below, the ticket intake trend visualizes volume over time, and the overdue by assignee section pinpoints where attention is needed. Third, performance analytics. Assigned volume, completed tickets, completion rate, and average resolution time provide a clear performance snapshot. Charts below reveal ticket age distribution, status mix, and workload ranking across the team. Fourth, delegation management. When a team member is unavailable, the manager can delegate authority with a few clicks, specifying the delegate, dates, and reason. Finally, the SLA interactive matrix. Here, the manager browses each legal category and views the exact response and resolution targets by priority level. Under contracts and agreements, the 4 priority tiers: urgent, high, normal, and low, each display their assignment and resolution deadlines in working days. This is the control center for legal operations. This is the CEO Oversight Dashboard, a single strategic pane of glass into legal operations. Your attention should be drawn here to the critical action items. This section isolates immediate risks, high priority requests that haven't been actioned, and tickets that are past due. This allows you to identify bottlenecks instantly without digging through reports. Moving right, we have the Administrative Health module. This measures the quality of your operations. Clarification rate tells you if requests are clear or if your team is stuck in back-and-forth loops. Approval velocity tracks how fast the business is making decisions. Breach rate is your compliance score. How often are we missing our promises? Moving down, the SLA performance matrix breaks down responsiveness by priority. You can verify if urgent matters are truly being treated as urgent. And finally, the active workload leaderboard. This provides transparency into your human capital. Who is overloaded? Who has capacity? This insight is crucial for preventing burnout and ensuring fair distribution of work. The CEO Oversight Dashboard transforms opaque legal work into transparent, actionable intelligence. It ensures that you are always ahead of the risk curve. In corporate IT, we don't follow trends, we innovate.